Hey, welcome back to the channel. As I film this, it is the weekend after Thanksgiving. We're up in Big Bear, and I've never missed a Friday episode. I thought I'm not going to miss one this time, so this will be a short, quick one. We are in Big Bear Village and been looking at some Christmas lights. They're all decorated for the holidays, so let's check it out. Again, if it's your first time, please subscribe, hit that like, hit that comment. I'm going to do some more Christmas lights this year in Southern California, so if there's some you want to see, put it in the comments and I'll go check those out and put them up on the channel. So let's go check out some Christmas lights in Big Bear Village in Big Bear, California. As I film this, it's like I said, 45 degrees. I am not dressed for this weather. When we left our house today in Southern California, it was 80 degrees. So I brought a light jacket. Oops. Got a license plate. It says Marvel. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I did. It looks super sketchy, bro.
No. Yeah.
É, vou quer passar? Galinha.
Não, tô aqui para tomar
I know.
I'm amazed at how many ice cream places there are. In some places where it's freezing half the year.
Aí tomate aí, papi.
I love bears, favorite animal. I once chased a bear into the woods. That's a story for another day.
Ouais, génial ça, putain.
Oh, il y a un ours.
Sí, pero es que
I'll find a store.
You met the two?
Malayo.
فعدة الروكة هتبقى بقرار
Yep. Why? No, that's I don't do it. I know.
She keeps saying, no, there's nothing like that.
Are you gonna cross us?
Yeah, he wasn't rich.
All right. Thanks for watching. This has been Big Bear Village Christmas time walk. It's a short one. Give back to my family on this holiday weekend. Hope you and your family had a good weekend if you celebrate. Take care, and I'll see you next time to see where the road takes us again. Hit that like, hit the subscribe. See you next time. Bye, guys.